track building in Hutchinson, Minnesota. Big Case Equipment. Case is the main sponsor. I'm not sure what this big piece of equipment is, big ripper or something, but not a ripper, but it's Sauk. With Badger State, I would always see the real disc that's made in McFarlane's there, right there in Sauk, but this is just a huge piece of equipment they're using to work the track up here. Again, we're in Hutchinson. I know sometimes go through, there'll be a few rocks in the dirt or whatever, so. But this is how to build a pull. That's just some hard, that's a rock. Picked up a couple rocks, it's not bad at all. Sometimes when they bring clay in or something like that, there'll be a few rocks in here. It's not bad at all. Looks really, really good. Track building is underway here in Hutchinson, Minnesota. Big quad track Case. Case is the title sponsor of this event, as well as the NTPA. This is Hutchinson, Minnesota, everybody. Big, beautiful main grandstands. I'm standing on the north track. This is the track that we're pulling on tonight. We're first class. This is the south track over here. Here's the announcer stand. So, a lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff here in Hutchinson, Minnesota.